everyone, this is Chelsea and welcome back to my channel. I've got something very interesting for you all. Today's video is going to be super special because finally, after 3 years of wearing those pink hospital issued scrubs, I have finally got the permission to have my own scrubs. And guess what? They are from Kanya. Okay, so we get two packages. And one is having the upper part and one is having the bottom part. So the packaging says for your small moves and giant lips. So we also get a card which is written that focused on you, and many more other things are written. So we will keep it aside. And then we have this wine color scrubs and also the bottom. So I will give a quick fit check. Here's a story. So, like in our college, like most other government nursing colleges, there has been always a very strict uniform policy. Everything is about discipline, rules, uniformity, which I know is honestly essential in the medical field, but I always had that in my mind. Why can't we just follow the color code but use our own material that's more comfortable and durable? That's where the grind started. Convincing the faculties was not easy, but after weeks of requesting, finally the permission came through. And now we officially have the permission to wear this wine color scrub. So yeah, that was my story of how we went from the pink scrubs to the wine color scrubs. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.